Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to walk you through a really handy iPhone trick, how to turn on Preserve Creative Controls. This is based on my own experience, and it can save you time when taking photos. Links to anything mentioned will be in the description below. First, open up your Settings app. Now, scroll down until you see Camera, and tap on it. Next, look for Preserve Settings, tap there. You'll see Creative Controls. Simply toggle that switch to the on position. That's it. Now you can exit the Settings app. The next time you open your camera, it will remember your creative control preferences like filters and aspect ratio. So, it's a really simple way to maintain settings. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.